Good morning, New York City. Wow, this is the first year I've seen the snow in New York City. Look at this. Wow. Okay. Red light, alright. Sure. All the car stuff. See? Yeah, this is the first time snow in New York. But it's not too big, you know. It's small, it's about 2 inches. Yeah, actually this is enough, you know. This is enough. Yeah, 2 inches is perfect. It's perfect. Yeah, some people they like the big snow, you know. So I think 1 inch, 2 inches now is good. Yeah. At least those food like the snow. Okay. Guys, be careful. Yeah, so roads are very bad, you know. It's very slippery, and especially those who are driving, it's gonna be very dangerous. So when you're driving, you should be very be careful, especially the next day, like this morning, you know. Very dangerous. Alright guys, so I think I'm going to end the video here. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful weekend.